Hello everyone, welcome back to Autopulse. Imagine having the freedom of a full-size RV, but packed into a sleek, compact design that you can take anywhere. That's exactly what the 2025 luxury RV pocket camper delivers, a revolution for adventurers who want the ultimate blend of comfort, mobility, and style. From the moment you see it, the pocket camper feels different. It's built on a lightweight, aerodynamic frame that's small enough to slip into a regular parking spot, yet it unfolds a whole new world when you step inside. Every inch is crafted for maximum efficiency and luxury, offering the kind of upscale features you'd expect in a five-star hotel, but on wheels. Starting with the exterior, the pocket camper comes with high-grade aluminum siding paired with solar panels seamlessly integrated into the roofline. These panels aren't just for show, they generate enough energy to power your lights, entertainment systems, and even the climate control. The best part? The panels are smart. They track the sun throughout the day, adjusting their angle automatically for peak energy capture. Once you step inside, the feeling of luxury hits instantly. The interior is a masterclass in modern design, blending minimalist aesthetics with warm, inviting touches. Premium wood veneers, soft ambient lighting, and buttery leather seating create an atmosphere that's both elegant and cozy. The centerpiece is the modular living space. During the day, it's an open lounge with a hidden pop-up workstation, perfect for remote workers or digital nomads. At night, it transforms effortlessly into a plush sleeping area with a memory foam mattress. Storage is tucked away in ingeniously hidden compartments under the seats, soft-close cabinets overhead, and even a pull-out pantry disguised as a wall panel. One of the standout features is the smart kitchen. Compact but incredibly functional, it includes a dual-burner induction stove, a convection microwave, a deep stainless steel sink, and a whisper-quiet, energy-efficient fridge. The kitchen counter is extendable, giving you plenty of room for prep work. And because it's all built with premium materials, from quartz composite countertops to brushed metal fixtures, cooking here feels like a treat rather than a chore. Even the bathroom in the pocket camper is next level. It's a full wet bath, meaning the shower, toilet, and sink are all integrated into a waterproof space. But it doesn't feel cramped, thanks to clever folding elements and a smart ventilation system, it stays fresh and comfortable. There's even a built-in linen closet and a heated towel rack, adding a true spa-like touch. Climate control in the pocket camper goes far beyond just air conditioning. It's equipped with a high-efficiency HVAC system that's whisper-quiet and smartphone-controlled. Whether you're parked under the blazing desert sun or camping in the chill of the mountains, you can set your perfect temperature with just a tap. Technology runs deep through every part of this camper. The control panel is a sleek touchscreen interface where you can monitor battery levels, control lighting zones, manage water tanks, and even adjust the suspension system. Yes, the pocket camper includes an adaptive suspension that adjusts automatically to different terrains, ensuring a smooth, stable ride no matter where you roam. Entertainment hasn't been overlooked either. A retractable 32-inch OLED TV, 360-degree surround sound speakers, and satellite internet capability mean you can stay connected and entertained whether you're deep in the woods or overlooking a city skyline. Safety is another area where the pocket camper truly shines. Advanced driver assistance systems are standard, including lane assist, collision detection, and automatic emergency braking. Plus, the camper is equipped with exterior security cameras and motion-activated lighting to give you peace of mind while you sleep. One of the cleverest ideas is the expandable rear deck. It folds out in seconds to create a private outdoor living space perfect for morning coffee or evening stargazing. There's even a pop-up awning with integrated lighting and a built-in Bluetooth speaker system, turning any location into your own personal patio. Water management is handled with sophistication, too. A hybrid water system collects and filters rainwater automatically, supplementing the fresh water tanks. On top of that, the hot water system is instant and endless, powered by a compact electric heater, no more rationing showers or waiting for the tank to warm up. Driving the pocket camper is a dream. Thanks to its compact size, it's easy to maneuver through city streets, national parks, or winding country roads. It fits under height restrictions that stop traditional RVs and can squeeze into tight camping spots where bigger rigs just can't go. And because it's lightweight, you don't need a heavy-duty truck to tow it, a midsize SUV or electric vehicle is plenty. What truly sets the 2025 Pocket Camper apart is the feeling it gives you: complete freedom without compromise. It's a luxury lifestyle on your own terms, a mobile oasis that's ready to go wherever your heart desires. Whether you're chasing sunsets along the coast, discovering hidden mountain trails, or simply setting up camp in your favorite weekend spot, the Pocket Camper makes every journey feel effortless, comfortable, and a little bit magical. If you've ever dreamed of taking home with you and having it feel just as luxurious as your favorite boutique hotel, the 2025 luxury RV Pocket Camper might just be the future you've been waiting for.